you have to buy more cans?
Yes.
Okay, but right now you're buying about one can per week.
Yes.
Okay, and I'm sorry. Tell me what that cost is again.
$57.99.
$57.99.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna pay $58 every week.
Yep.
So it's fair to say about $251 goes to this additional expense.
Yes.
Okay, and that is that necessary for Siraj's health?
Yes.
Okay. And is that covered by your insurance?
No.
Okay.
Not at all.
Is Mr. Ahmed aware that you have this additional expense?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Ahmed, who goes out of his way to be contrary sometimes. Mr. Ahmed, who goes out of his way to be contrary sometimes. Trying to make Mr. Ahmed to get frustrated and withdraw. And it was, why did he stop being the attentive parent that he started out to be? Well, my guess is because he was getting angry and frustrated what he perceived was having to do things on Ms. Linningham's terms. In this case, at present, joint legal custody is just not a viable option. Of Siraj, that Ms. Linningham have sole legal authority. However, my order will make it very clear that no legal authority decisions don't usually constitute emergencies, right? Nobody has to decide right now what high school they're going to. And so no legal authority decision is to be exercised without first giving Mr. Ahmed the opportunity for informed input and a fair consideration of his advice.
I also advised you that he wanted you to tell him about visits before the dental visit.
I was told that I didn't have to discuss that. I would just give him the date.
If a judge makes an order, who outside of that tells you that you don't have to have a conversation with the father of your child before making a decision?
Did he ask you?
I don't recall.
Okay.
And this is language I oftentimes, the parties shall regularly communicate with you, with each other regarding the child's welfare. Shall include summaries concerning all issues pertaining to legal custody, including information concerning Shiraz's medical care, religious training, social adjustments. And no significant decisions regarding legal custody of Shiraz should be made until Mr. Ahmad has been given an opportunity to offer input and advice. So my question, sir, is you said that, I guess what you're saying is that mom was to, I mean, am I correct? Your understanding was that mom was to confer with you before setting a time and date for a medical-related appointment?
Yeah, not only that, yes, Your Honor, Ms. Linningham was supposed to inform me and allow input no matter whether she was going to take my input or not.
The sentence reads, no significant decisions regarding legal custody of Shiraz should be made until Mr. Ahmad has been given opportunity to offer input and advice. So, in your view, setting up a dental appointment was a significant decision.
The judge is downplaying the fact that mom didn't have a conversation with dad before making a decision about what dentist that the child is going to, where it's at. Dad doesn't know any of this stuff. No conversation's been had. But she said she didn't have to.